SQUEAKS makes it easy to stay up to date on what's happening in your plant with personalized management boards and notifications. The SQUEAKS board makes it easy to organize information important to you according to your interests and responsibilities. You can create a board with exactly what you want in it from all your data and media sources. And the SQUEAKS board can be personalized per your preferences, giving you the flexibility to make what you care about most front and center. SQUEAKS makes it easy to customize messages and information relevant to you. Like the apps you use in everyday life to customize the news and alerts you receive, SQUEAKS gives you the power to see what's happening in every corner of your plant, along with the ability to view the details and context behind the data along with key attributes, and the ability to tune in to what's important now. And just like you tune into metrics in certain conversations, you can join or tune into teams, people, and data sources. SQUEAKS allows you to customize the information you see, like bad news first, and decide whether you receive emails or push notifications or not. And view dashboards that provide at-a-glance feedback on performance relative to target, along with the flexibility to create personalized views with built-in widgets that make building professional dashboards as easy as drag and drop. SQUEAKS delivers the information that matters most to you, nothing more.